start a new chapter, Advanced Features of Word Processor Part 2. In this, today we will see how to find the text. When you are working with larger documents, Word provides the facility to search the documents using Find feature. To find a text, you have to click on the Find button in the editing group of the Home tab. A navigation pane appears to the left of the document window. Select Advanced Find option from the editing group. In the Find What box, type the text you want to search in the document. Click on the Find Next button. The pointer will move to the next occurrence of the word. Click on the Find button of the editing group of Home tab. As soon as you will click on the Find button, you will be able to see a navigation pane on the left side of the document window. Now, if I type some word over here that I want to search in the document, then suppose I type custom, okay, and as soon as you will type in the search box, you will be able to see the results over here. Okay, now there are two types of custom. One is capital C is there, and in one word custom the small c is there. Suppose I only want to search the word custom which has only small letters, not the capital letters. So we have to do match case. So for that you have to go to the Find option, Advanced Find option, and then what we are supposed to do, we have to match the case. So you just put a tick mark over here, just click on match case over here and then say Find Next. Can you see now? Only the small letter customs will be searched, not the capital letter custom is searched. So this is the use of match case option of the Advanced Find. The shape is a drawing feature that helps you to draw various shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. With the help of these shapes, you can draw the attention of the user to your message. You can also edit text inside the shape. To insert a shape, follow these steps. Click on the Shapes button in the Illustration group of Insert tab. So you can see the Insert tab over here. Here you can find the illustration groups and you have to click on the Shapes. So the drop down menu appears and various options like lines, then rectangles, then basic shapes, block arrows, flow charts, call outs, stars and banners, etc. appear in front of you. So, if you want to take a smiley face, point on the basic shapes option. Here you will be able to find a smiley face. Just click on it. As soon as you will click on the smiley, the cursor will change to a plus sign. Now you have to drag, means press the left mouse button and move the mouse. That means you are dragging the mouse and you can see the smiley. The Format tab appears. Can you see this Format tab over here? to add a quick style to the shape, choose the options from the shape style group. You can see this shape style group. From here you can quickly change your shape. So suppose I take this one. So our shape changes, the color changes like this. We can also place a text into the shape. So again I will just click one more shape. I will click on the insert. I will click on the shapes and then I will take one banner from here. Suppose I am taking this banner or a star. Then you just have to add only you have to click in that and you have to type. So that means you can edit the text also. Practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so in this way you can edit inside the shapes.
Children, we are coming towards the end of the chapter Advanced Features of Word Processor Part 2. Today, we will see how text box, watermark effect, and cover pages are used in MS Word.
Children, as you know from the previous chapter that the feature that is used to create a special text effect is word art, and you can see the different effects of word art. The borders and shading button is present on the design tab also and home tab also, so you can give borders to the page. You can also create different types of basic shapes, lines, block arrows from the shape button. So children, you know how to work in MS Word now. In the next slide, I am going to show you how you are going to use a text box, a watermark, and a cover page. In this slide, children, we will learn to insert a picture, to label it, to use the word art effect, to use the watermark effect, and to use text box and cover page. So we all know if we want to insert a picture, we have to click on the insert button and then we will have to bring the cursor where we have to insert the picture. We'll click on the insert and then we will click on this device option and we will select the picture that we want to insert. Now we will go to the insert tab. We'll click on the word art effect and we will type the subtopic parts of flower in our desired text effect. Okay, you can see how we are using word art. Now in the again we will click on the insert and we will select the arrow for labeling the picture. Again we will click on the insert tab, shapes, and then again we will select the arrow. Now if we want to label the diagram, we will just click on the shapes and the first option is of a text box where we can type the text. So here we can type in the text box. So text box is a placeholder to enter the text. Again we will make a text box over here and we will type sepal over here. In this way you can label the diagram by inserting the text boxes. In the Design tab, we will be able to see the page borders option, and we will select a page border. When we will see the print preview, we will be able to see the page border over here. So we have a page border option in the design tab. Here we can decrease the size of the text box. So when we will go to the design tab and the watermark effect, you will be able to find different types of watermarks. Now watermarks appear in the as a background image in the page. Many times you will be able to see that there is an image that is dim and faded, and you can type over that watermark effect. So this is the feature of watermark that is provided by MS Word, and you can select any of the watermarks. The cover page is there in the insert page option. The cover page is the first page of the document. In your books, the first page is the cover page. Okay, here we are taking the name, we are typing the name of the chapter, that is flower. So we are making flower the cover page. That means the first page of the document. You can have many pages in the document, but the first page is the cover page. So whenever you will insert the cover page, that will become the first page of the document. Here you can see that the first page is your the first page is where you have typed flower. Okay, and you can delete the extra text over here. Now you can also insert, if you have something else to type over here, like author's name, publication, you can insert picture, whatever, but the cover page becomes the first page of your document, and you can see it in the print preview also. So you can see in MS Word the cover page option.
So children, today we have learnt about text box. Text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. Watermark can be defined as a dim or faded impression of an image on the text or paper. Cover pages are found in Insert tab in the